This incident took place probably in the early 1970s in India on a train. In a compartment on a train, Prabhupada was sitting with some of his Western disciples, and one gentleman who was one of his compatriots, someone from India. And the Indian gentleman asked Prabhupada at one point if he could show something miraculous. He said that you are a sadhu, so why don't you show us something that's like in the realm of a miracle? So Prabhupada didn't answer him immediately. And then he gestured to his Western disciples who were dressed in devotional dress. The men were shaven-headed, and the women were saris and tilaks. And he gestured to them, and then he looked at the man and he said, "This is my miracle."